Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City. I'm Gary Christians, serving the dealerships since July 1981. Having a great time, and I want you to have a great time. You need to go camping. Let's take a look at this Heritage Glen 273RL. This is a bad boy. Let me show you this interior. It is really awesome. Solid step. You know how I know that? It says so right there. And when you walk up it, it's very sturdy. You don't have to worry about the coach moving around because the step's resting on the ground. Nice couch in the back with these big windows that let in all this light. Now this couch makes into a full double bed. Got somebody staying with you, they got their own room. Got a 32-inch fireplace. Of course, it's going to give you a lot of heat during the cold weather, so you don't have to burn your propane. Big TV, comes out, moves around, DVD player, external speakers, got recliners, club seating, across from your TV set, dinette, storage from up above or from the bottom. Got a little strainer here on your island, recessed under the counter sink, domestic refrigerator, double door. Take your storage space away and we'll get ready to cook something. High outputs up here. The regular burners are in the back. Got an oven down below. And let's just go down below that. Nice storage drawer. They just made it look like the part of the oven. Nice drawers, all high grade plywood. More storage. You can have more storage, right? Okay. Got more storage. Yep, comes with a garbage can. Microwave. Let's go up in the, oh, nice counter, good storage. Look at all those. All right, so low entry shower, nice skylight, plenty of room, This is nice. Medicine cabinet, vanity. Wait a minute, another storage compartment. Spot for garbage can, right? Okay. Bedroom time. Nice queen bed. USB ports. Good hanging space. Storage up above. So both sides have USBs, electrical outlets, and of course the storage like down below. You don't have to lift it up, but you can if you want to get to the back ones. These are all supplied. You take this in your house, put your stuff in it, bring it out here, and when you get done, it's easy to take back in. Let's take a look outside. We want you to turn around and notice the cathedral roof. Gives you a little bit more, see the curve in that? Isn't that nice? Kind of residential look. So we have a power awning, of course, full length outdoor speakers. Service here. Oh, don't have a key for that. Power jacks. I've got a barbecue hookup. You release this pin, swing it around, and you got a place to put your barbecue. Full-size spare tire. Bumper on the back that your sewer hose goes in, right? And we give it to you. Termination valves, real easy to get to, right there. Don't have to crawl underneath it. Furnace intake, exhaust, outdoor shower, hot water heater, black water flush, fresh and city connection, and of course your pass-through on this side. Full fiberglass cap across the front, goes on the side as well, gives it added structural construction. Got a question? Skip the phone, the receptionist, call me direct. 541-554 9581. Thank you.